So let's study the next topic, that is conservation of charge. So what does conservation of charge means? That a charge cannot be created nor be destroyed. To be understand, it cannot be created nor be destroyed. It can be transferred from one body to another body. That is called conservation of charge. So charge cannot be created nor be destroyed. It can be transferred from one body to another body. So this is it called conservation of charge. Now let's discuss next. Suppose we have a point charge here, that is called Q1, and the other charge is point charge Q2, and it is separated by a distance r. So here comes the concept of Coulomb's law, that is Coulomb's law. So these are two charges separated by a distance r. So now we want to find out that what is the force between these two charges. So for that, Coulomb formulate a law that is called Coulomb's law. It states that force is directly proportional to product of two charges. Also, force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. The main point to understand is that the force is directly proportional to the product of two charges, and force is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Now, if we club together, we will get F is equals to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. So this is called Coulomb's law. And here K is what? K is a constant of proportionality. Okay, so till now we have studied Coulomb's law. So Coulomb's law simply is K Q1 Q2 upon R square. Now what is the value of K? K is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. Here epsilon is the permittivity of medium. So epsilon is the permittivity of medium, or we can say epsilon is the permittivity of free space. So we studied electrostatic, conservation of charge, property of charges, and also we studied Coulomb's law. So hope you enjoyed the session, and thanks a lot for thank you.